Now, Shah Rukh Khan faces tremendous anger, tremendous criticism for his wrong decision. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan take a very wrong decision. As we know that Shah Rukh Khan is co-owner of KKR, Kolkata Knight Rider IPL team. Now in auction, Shah Rukh Khan decided to take the Mustafizur Rahman, Bangladesh fast bowler, for each team in current IPL season, and he signed for 9 crore rupees. 9 crore rupees for this season, but we all know that in Bangladesh the attacks on Hindus are increases. Yes, reality, and some Hindus also lost their life. So all the India, there is anger against Bangladesh. Why take the Bangladesh players in IPL? The minority in Bangladesh are not safe. So there is a rising anger, criticism against the Shah Rukh Khan. Why he takes such wrong decision? Finally, BCCI interrupt in this issue and told Kolkata Knight Rider to release Mustafizur Rahman from the contract and take the another player, take the replacement and take the another player. And finally, KKR also agree that Mustafizur Rahman out from his squad and want to close that issue. So, though late, KKR take the right decision because there is tremendous anger in Indians. Why Bangladesh, there is attack on India suddenly increases. So share this important news for the maximum and told the real fact. What is a real fact? Share, and if you like, subscribe. Thanks.